here again from Sue's Dog Rock My Kitchen, and I hope you're all having a wonderful time and not going too mad in the nutty world that we now find ourselves living. This is one of my last videos for the Christmas, which is for stuffing the turkey. So in a previous video to this, I did make my stuffing here, which I have is sage, onion, chestnut and sausage meat stuffing. And I've already done that, so I've got that here. I've only got a small turkey because there's only enough here for 4 to 5 people. There's only me and my partner here now going to have this turkey for Christmas. And I have a dish here for the turkey. I have some pure duck fat to put on top of the turkey, and also I have some rashers of bacon here, which this is smoked bacon, which I love to put on the turkey. It keeps all of the flavour in, and it just makes it taste nice, really nice. Anyway, and I have a glass of red wine today to celebrate Christmas Eve. It is Christmas Eve and it is 20 past 8 in the evening, and it is 2020, and I decided that I wanted to do my whole Christmas dinner on the camera. So tomorrow, Christmas Day, I will also be showing you how I prepare my vegetables, which isn't very difficult because half of them are frozen, but I just wanted to share my Christmas with you. So, you know, because we've been in this nutty situation, and it's the way I keep saying is by sharing my videos. Okay, so I'm drinking some nice red wine, feeling a bit tipsy right now. But Merry Christmas, everyone. Make it special, okay? So I'm going to stuff this turkey. It's only a little one. It seems to be laying to its side, seems to be sleeping. So I'm just going to put this stuffing in this turkey right now. So I'm just going to pick it up with my hands and I'm just going to push it in. That's it. It's not very difficult. So usually I stuff in this end of the turkey, okay? So this will all go in there. You have no problem at all. I love turkey with stuffing in it. Just makes it such a wonderful taste and flavours, and they all come out in the stuffing. And usually what I do with my turkey is cook it upside down for the first hour or so, and then when it's nearly cooked I turn it round the right way up, because that makes all the juices flow to the breast. And I'm also going to put some turkey stuffing in the other end as well, where you keep the giblets. And the giblets, we will be making some nice gravy with those, but I'll do that tomorrow when we actually make the gravy for the turkey. And with the turkey, we use the giblets, so we boil them up and then we strain off the water and use those. And then we also use the juices from the turkey itself. Nothing gets wasted at all, nothing. And with the turkey itself, I will be cooking it, boiling it up after, and we will usually have soup with it, and cold on Boxing Day as well. So with this turkey, they've already made like this thing where you can put its legs through from the skin. So I've just put the legs back through it. So I'm going to put it in the tin now and take it off my board. It really is lopsided. It's not flat turkey. I think it's where they froze it. It keeps leaning to one side. It won't matter. Anyway, so I'm going to just move this over to the sink and get a cloth. Yeah. So you can use fresh or frozen turkey. Sometimes I've had fresh, but this year I'm just having a frozen one because it's a bit difficult to get a fresh one. Hello again. So I've got some nice duck fat here, so we're going to just put some duck fat all over it. Just coat it on. It's quite loose duck fat, so it's easy to spread. Saying that, so we'll just put some duck fat on it. And you just keep basting your turkey when it's cooking. But I always cover it up with foil. So So just put the blobs of fat on like so. Really nice. Okay. And then what we're going to do next is just put on the bacon, which I have here. So I have 4 strips of bacon. So what I normally do is put it on the legs like so. Like that. And then 1 piece on each breast. Sounds rather nudgy. Okay, like so. There you go. So it's all covered up with bacon now. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see. I can't see if you can see. So there you are. Turkey covered. Hello. I just had to go and wash my hands again before I touch the tin foil. Right, so we're going to cover, get a generous amount of foil, like that, and we're going to turn the turkey upside down first. This bit of work with all this bacon on it today. Right, so I've turned it upside down. It doesn't really matter. And now we're just going to cover it up with some foil. Okay, so I've turned my turkey upside down, and now we're going to cover it with foil. And then we'll put it in the oven upside down for just about an hour, and then we'll turn it over. And then we'll still keep the foil on, and then we'll take the foil off so it can brown. Okay, but that's it. So you just give it a nice sort of tight, so it gets nice steamy in there, so it sort of cooks it like that. Okay, okay. So I'm just going to leave that on my side, and then I'll put it in the oven tomorrow morning. It's really cold in my kitchen, just like a fridge. So I don't need to put it in the fridge tonight. I'll just leave it out and it will be alright for tomorrow morning. So I'll just leave it. Hello again. So the turkey takes 2 hours and 14 to 15 minutes, thereabouts. And after an hour, I'm going to cook it upside down for an hour. Then I'm going to turn it up on the right way up. And then I'm still going to keep the foil on. And then I'll take the foil off half an hour before I want the top browned. Okay, that's how I usually cook my turkey, and it comes out lovely and succulent if you cook it upside down first, so that all the juices go to the breast and it moistens them. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and look out for my other video where I will be doing the rest of the food for the Christmas Day dinner, but that will be on Christmas Day. But today is Christmas Eve, and I've got my turkey prepared, all my stuffing is made, and that's it for now. And cheers, Merry Christmas. And enjoy your family, okay, as much as you possibly can, and I hope you get to see yours. I won't get to see mine, but never mind, that's just the way it's going to be, and that's it. So when we are able to get together after Christmas in the New Year sometime, then we'll just have a nice joyous occasion. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and if you enjoy my videos, please tell your friends and family about it, and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I just hope that I've given you some kind of knowledge about doing something. If I haven't, I just hope you're entertained by my video. So that's it for now. So bye for now. Bye.